Ever found yourself craving that perfect cup of matcha green tea latte? The one that's smooth, frothy, and simply irresistible? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, you're about to discover the art of crafting this delightful beverage right in your own kitchen. Start with selecting a high-quality matcha powder. The more vibrant the green, the better. This is the heart and soul of your latte, rich in antioxidants and energy-boosting properties. Now, on to the magic of proportions. For a single serving, 1.5 teaspoons of matcha powder will do the trick. Pour the matcha into a bowl, then add a small amount of warm water. Not boiling, mind you, just warm enough to help the matcha dissolve. Now comes the part where your whisking skills come into play. Grab a bamboo whisk and whisk in a zigzag motion until the matcha forms a smooth paste. This is key to achieving that dreamy, frothy texture. Next, heat up a cup of your favorite milk. Almond, soy, or even classic whole milk. The choice is yours. Once it's piping hot, pour it over your matcha paste, stirring as you go to blend the two beautifully. Almost there. But before you take that first sip, consider adding a touch of sweetness. A drizzle of honey, a dash of vanilla, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon can elevate your latte to new heights. So to recap, start with vibrant matcha powder. Measure out 1.5 teaspoons and mix with warm water. Whisk until smooth and frothy. Heat and add your milk of choice, stirring as you pour. Sweeten to your heart's content. And voila, you've just made yourself a perfect matcha green tea latte. Take a moment to appreciate your creation. The vibrant green color, the tantalizing aroma, the soothing warmth. Every sip is a testament to your newfound skill. Enjoy the tranquility and comfort of this tea experience. Remember, the art of tea is all about patience and precision. But most importantly, it's about enjoying the process. So go ahead, indulge in the pleasure of making your own matcha green tea latte. It's a journey worth savoring.